Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can change the design format in Canva. So here I've already opened my Canva and here is my current format design and I want to change it. For example, I want to change the format into like a square. So what you guys need to do is just click on the resize here at the top, and here you can see there are so many. You can use the custom size, or you can also use your reason format, or if you scroll down you can see there are a bunch of format that you can choose. Because square is like an Instagram post, I'm going to just click on this and then click on copy and resize. You can copy the design and then resize it, or you can just do the resize here, but I'm going to just copy and resize, and after that a new design will be open like this, and it will automatically change the format from this into the format that I chose before. So in this case it will be changed into square like this. And after that you can just do some adjustment. You can adjust your design, or you can also adjust the size of the text, right, like this. Okay guys, so that's all from me. That is how you can change the design format in Canva. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this content, please don't forget to click on the thanks below and like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the following tutorial. Thank you guys.